Yeah, Brittany and Steve, I talked to several people after this meeting, and this meeting really didn't change their mind. The mayor took a poll during this town hall, and a majority of people in the room raised their hand and opposed this project. During this hour-and-a-half long meeting, Northport Mayor Dale Phillips asking University Beach developer Kent Donahue a number of questions from residents about power, water, environmental, and other land concerns. Donahue assuring them that this project is above board and that it will benefit the city. This $350 million project just off Highway 82 will have a lagoon, beaches, water park, hotel, residential units, and much more. Those opposing this project say they don't want their quiet community to be turned upside down. The developer says that it's not going to happen, and he says this will benefit the entire region. Now, last year, a similar type project near Dallas, Texas, once associated with Donahue, received a notice of default after delays and other issues. Donahue is no longer involved in that project. I asked him what assurances that something like that won't happen here. He says he is in control of the University Beach project and essentially not having to rely on the other burdens, he says, of other people. Work is currently being done on this site not too far from where we're at, and Donahue says we could see vertical construction take place on that site by the end of the year. We will, of course, keep you updated. Live in Northport tonight, I'm Josh Guantt, WBRC 6 News on your side.